Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today I'm doing a double flip through, okay? I finished these off and it's just time to go voila, ta-da, they're done, you know? Let's start with this one first. This was the simple one we started, just plain basic, simple, easy to do. You could throw this together in a day or two. Really, you could. I just put some journal cards in the front here. Beautiful image there. I just stacked image the pocket. Super easy, right? I did, of course, lace it up because that's how I do things. And, you know, I was doing some ornaments, so I put one of those there. It's pretty, right? The back I left just that way. I was going to say plain, but it's pretty. So you can't really say plain if it's pretty, can you? I don't know. Maybe you can. Now, I didn't put a closure on this one. It lays very flat. It's not chunked up with a bunch of extra stuff. So pretty easy to do. Simple pockets here with the background pages. Some journal cards. Just leaving the pretty images and lots for other people to do if they get this journal, see. You can put a picture up here. You can put whatever you want to put. Again, another simple pocket, just stacking the image. And this is our signature with our, it's got the signature cover in the kit. And there's a nice sized journaling space in there. It's really, you know, just the journal pages. So that leaves you with about, let's see, when you fold them, you get double. So then you got to go both sides of the page. So it's 10, so that makes 20. So that makes about 40 pages to write on. And I did put another one of those charms in there. This one matches the one on the front with the bow. So it's pretty. And again, just stacking the image and putting some cards in there. There's loads of journal cards in this kit, so, you know, why not use them all, right? Just really pretty, simple, and if you make one like this, just super simple and pretty, put some fussy cuts in with it, and they can go in and decorate. They can use the fussy cuts to anchor a picture. Different things like that would be just wonderful with this journal. You can make them stickers, you know. You can make a fussy cut sheet with on sticker paper. That would be awesome. This one is just simply beautiful, okay? Just easy, easy, easy to do, okay? All right, now we get to this one. It's a little more chunky. Yes. It's really quite beautiful. I did have to tie it up because it's a big one. So we used our freebie sheet, the collage sheet, to cover the outside on this one because it's pretty. So on this one, let's get into it. We've got another bow with a little charm on it there. It's the little Christmas wreath thing. This is an acetate piece that it's got a piece behind it. The Christmas tree is behind the acetate, and these guys are on the front of it. See if I can show you. So that when you put journal cards in there, you can still see these. And I also put a little die cut snowflake up here. It's that glitter paper that I was working with on another project. I had one, so I figured why not use it. And then I've got a couple of tall tags that I cut out of the collage page, right? So we'll put these in here and move on. Now see, you can still see the tree and everything because it's on the acetate stuck on the other side. And I think I show how to do that in a video. If not, we can do it again sometime. Now this, it's just beautiful, okay? I laced up this and that and everything, you know. And on this one, I made, this is a pocket. All these big things like this, these are pockets with lots of journal cards inside. Lots of them. So what I did was, this is a wraparound pocket, not just a flat pocket. It's a gusseted wraparound. So I've got journal cards in there. So you don't lose anything really. You just put it's stacking the image again. So I did a wraparound for that. Little journal cards in there. I put some fussy cuts on this one because it's already very, very busy and full of awesomeness. I think it is anyways. So yeah, just wraparound pockets, little journal cards, loads of journal cards in this kit, guys. You are not in a shortage for those at all. So, yep. And of course you got to fill these pockets up with journal cards, right? Lots of journal cards. Okay. This is where we did the door. I hope you guys remember that. It's been a while now. But we did a door, and we've got the, we made a pouch and put all kinds of little sprinkles in there. And you can see the journal cards inside the pocket, behind the sprinkles, right? And I went ahead and laced up that door because, you know, it's me. I'm going to do that. And this is just a little wraparound pocket here with some little journal cards. So pretty. This is our signature, same size as the other one. Just sewn in. I put the bells charm on this one, you know. Just really pretty. There's still room in here to decorate and to do things and to, you know, embellish. So there's plenty of that. Okay, again, it's the wraparound pocket. Hopefully I'm staying in shot most of the time. With some, you know, just journal cards. I didn't want to lose any of the pretty from the journal kit because that wouldn't be cool. I like it. I think it's beautiful. Lots and lots of journal cards. These things are filled up with them. Both sides. So, just saying. Okay. Now we've got this one, and it's a wraparound. And you still have all the pretty and all the awesomeness of the journal pages. There you go. Just beautiful. I think it is. And all the fussy cuts that I could cram in here, I did. Because, you know, it's all these little things, they're all fussy cuts. I put that guy in there and just, you know, Velcro. Velcro is my friend in this one. So, and again, more journal cards in the back. And if you hadn't noticed, there's plenty of writing space and or places to put pictures over here. So that's on every one of these. It's a page pocket, a big pocket with wraparound pockets. Yeah, it's just, and it is a bit chunky because, you know, there you go. If you don't tie it up, there you go. It's pretty big. And I'm okay with that. I am. It's really pretty. It was a lot of fun to make. It's not complicated to make. It's pretty simple. Once you do one set of pages, you know, the layout, you've got it figured out. Because really, it's just the same sort of design over and over throughout. So there. My bow is trying to twist up on me. Have a twisted bow. Alright. But yeah, I thought I would share with you. These are beautiful. They're fun and easy. And that's what we like at Christmas, right? Fun and easy. And who wouldn't want to get a gift like this, right? I mean, gosh, it's beautiful. So, and this one as well, beautiful. I would send fussy cuts with this one as a sticker, or as, you know, if somebody's a crafter, just send the fussy cuts. But if they're not a crafter, send stickers. Yeah. You could even do that with this too, because there's plenty of room to do all kinds of stuff still in this one. Just once you get started, you just keep going and going and going, right? Okay. Just a quick short video to share this stuff with you, these beautiful journals. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. You guys take care, and I'll see you next time. TTFN.